Hey everyone, it's Margaret with the Strawberry Group of At Properties. I'm here at N1538 Oak Shores. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath house has been totally renovated, and best yet, it comes with a deep water deeded boat slip. Let's go take a look. This house has been lovingly renovated top to bottom. Features beautiful granite counters, beam ceilings, wide plank flooring, and a gas fireplace. Don't miss the patio and the fire pit in the fenced backyard. This house comes with a deeded boat slip. It's a deep water slip, easy to maneuver in and out of. So thanks for taking the tour with me here at N1538 Oak Shores. If you have any questions about this beautiful home, please feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to help any way that we can. If you have more questions about our market here in Southeast Wisconsin, visit connectwithmargaret.com, where you'll find home tours, neighborhood tours, and tips and tricks to lead your best lake life. Cheers!